This is a CMS project I have built from scratch. Initially, when I was developing different website for our different clients using Next.js, and when actually I delivered that project, so I had to update the content myself for them. When there is something to update, they request me, and I update the content for them. That time actually I felt the need of the CMS, so that actually our client can edit themselves instead of requesting any third party or technical person. So initially I tried to follow some existing CMS. I tried to use some existing CMS like Strapi, one of the headless CMS, and let's say Prism, one of the CMS, but those also require some technical. Means actually, any non-technical person cannot use those CMS. Then actually, I started developing a CMS in React. Those are okay. So I had to develop a CMS for React because actually, I saw React has some kind of blazing fast experience on page application. So there are a lot of CMS available, but React based CMS it's limited. That's why I started developing this CMS. So when actually I'm done with this CMS with multiple development phase. Now we are in place where actually where actually we deliver this project to our client. That time actually they if any person can update Google Doc content, they can update our uh, website content. So today I'm going to show you some of the experience our client get when actually deliver or prepare a CMS for our client. Initially they can let's say update the images. They can also, yeah, they can just use AI to generate the images, right, and just use that. They can just click and whatever actually element they want to edit, just click and they have access to it. Let's say they can edit the text. They can let's say make some word color bold, and a lot of things actually they can do. Okay, so then they will have access different pages here. They can just publish and publish those pages, and let's say they can add more pages. And also interesting fact is they can also publish their writings like blog article resources, you know let's say team section. So they can add a lot of multiple people one by one. So it's up to them actually. This the same experience actually they have to go through. Then also let's say there is a theming section. They can just update the theme, the primary color, secondary color, and and there is some generated theme available. So let's say they can just choose the theme from here. It's it's really cool, and they can just they can generate the theme by themselves. Let's say there are some theming available here, so they can just just choose the option here and just generate the theme for them. Let's say drag theme. Okay, something like this. So it's so easy really. Also let's say they can upload their logo and just we will collect the brand color from there. So this is how actually they can just use the theme and just and make their own theme. Also let's say also when actually we deliver the project, we deliver with multiple section option. Means there is section library available. User can browse and use those section in their different pages. Let's say there is 6 hero section available. So then actually they can just choose any of the hero section and just use that section in their pages. So let's say they want to page another page. Let's say it's about page, right? They want to let's say this is the about page, and they want to add sections there, right? So then this is how they can just browse our section library, uh, browse our section library and add that section here. Okay, it's loading. I'm using local, so it's little slow. Then in the production, then actually just they can just browse the section and use that. Let's say I'm going to add the neighbor, then in other section one by one. But I'm just showing you how actually it work. So then actually it's available here, and we can add another hero section. Let's say just for about section. Okay, so this is how actually just they can just go through and just I'm using local because that's why it's slow, but in production it's so fast. And this is how actually they they will continue building these pages. Okay, so let's see actually how actually I prepared the CMS for our user. So for that I have developed a framework named face template framework. So this framework actually we use to create the CMS element, CMS section, let's say. And when actually we use those elements, let's say when actually I use face section, so means actually it will turn into a section in our CMS. So it's nothing but it's a div, but some extended function here to identify as a section, and everything here you see actually. So we can, instead of using div, actually we use that, and it support as everything as div support, but actually just we name it something in our element. Now it has access to the CMS, and it will give us the CMS option there. So same way actually when actually we are done here, then we can add as many section as need, and then actually it will be available here in our section library. Let's say if I type hero, it will load all the hero section here. It will load all the hero section here, and let's say when actually I we develop. So then let's say I'm talking about hero one. So the hero one is here. Let me check hero one. Mm, okay, so let me check the hero one. Okay, so this is the hero one actually, right? Then actually this is how actually we will develop the section, and when actually we're done, so we'll take a screenshot and just paste a screenshot here. Then actually it will be become available in our section library. Let's say this, you see the screenshot here. So this is how actually it's easy to add sections in our section library. Now let me show you some of the website I have built using this CMS. So let's say the first one is this one. So this one, this is the website, and it has also the collection. Means actually user also maintain the collection. Let's say uh, this is the case studies, and it follow the similar structure, but user can still upload more case studies, more blog, continuously. They can just update all the content by themselves. So this is the blog section. It also does doing the same. uh, this is the collection, and user continuously updating the collection by themselves. The second one is let's say this one. This is another website, and we still user also is still maintaining their content by themselves, and it has collection. It has also donation feature. Uh, let's say the event section is the collection. User can still add more event by themselves. instead of relaying us. So also this is another website built with our CMS, and this is another website built with our CMS. So this CMS is nothing but it's a part of our main product manifesto. So you see this is the manifesto website. I mean this is a manifesto, yeah, and it has option the website section. So this website section actually, this is the part of the CMS part. Actually user can just go and just manage their website. Just this is the same as here. User can click and just go there, or maybe user can update their other thing here. Let's say the CMS SEO part, the setting, then general. This is the multi-tenant project. Yeah, this is a multi-tenant project. So that's why, let's say this is the engine, and it has a lot of other client as well under the engine, right? So that's why user can just update anything by themselves. And in the manifesto we have a lot of other section available. Let's say all the forms submission, user can check the form submission here. Let's say files, user can manage their files here, and the team, the billing, and other section I will explore later. So let's say this is the form, and user can just check the form submissions and create new update the form element, something like this by themselves. We have form builder. uh, I will explore later. Thank you so much.